Hi, I am Devashish Sambhare. I am an electronics and communication engineering graduate, and this is my inventory and sales tracking system built using Python. Now, the problem context is this product simulate how a company manages its inventory, track product sales, and keep stock updated in real time. In many cases, manual tracking can lead to stock mismatches and inefficiencies. So, this system automates those basic operations. Now, first, how the tech plus design choice. See, so in here, the system is built using Python. Let's see here. See, this is the Python code I have used here. So the system is built using Python, and I have used a JSON file as a lightweight database to store a product data. Let's see the database. Okay, so it is a database which I have made. Okay, now I choose a command line interface instead of a graphical UI based. I wanted to focus on the core system logic and data handling. The same backend logic can later be extended to a web or GUI based interface. Yes. So let's see code, but I think we should first see its live demo so that you can understand what actually the code is working. So I will open my terminal now. Cd inventory underscore system. It takes me to inside my project folder. Okay, now I will run my code. So it is built using Python, so Python main.py. Yes, so see here in terminal you are seeing that this is an inventory system. Okay, so here first option is add product, second option is view product, third update quantity, fourth delete product, then record sales, then after low stock alert, then we see here is total inventory value, and then number 8 is exit. So enter choice means it is asking us to what you want to do. Like if I type 1, it give me option to add product. If I type 2, it give option to view product. Okay, so first we will see how many product we have here. So let's enter 2, enter. Okay, so here you see here is the 4 product that I already added. This is the product ID P101, 102, 103, 104. It is the name like pressure cooker, electric kettle, pan, dosa tawa, and all. Then all have quantity like pressure cooker have 48, electric kettle have 10, and so on. It also have a price like first one is 2500, another is 1199, and so on. Okay, so let's now I enter 1, so that I will show you how to add a product. Like I have enter 1, here you can see I have entered 1, enter. It is asking for enter product ID. So it is asking me to enter the product ID which I want to store. So let's say I will enter P105, enter. Now it is asking for enter product name. Here you can see it is asking for enter product name. So I will type here product name. Let's say for example I will type mixer grinder. Mixer grinder. Okay, now it is asking for enter quantity. Quantity means how much quantity I have in my inventory. So let's say I enter here quantity like 50, enter. Now it is asking for price, how much price each mixer grinder will cost. So I will enter its price for now, let's suppose 3000 rupees. Okay, now enter. Okay, see it is saying that product added successfully here. Then we will go for, now I will show you that really that product is updated or not. So here you see number 2 means view product. So now I will type 2, here I have typed 2, enter. See, this is the new list. First these 4 are already updated, already added. Now this is the new product mixer grinder which added. Okay, so now we go for update quantity option. Here, like I will enter 3. It is asking for enter product ID. Now enter product ID means it is asking for the product ID which is already stored in our inventory and you want to update. Like for example, let's suppose I type P104. P104. Okay, now it is asking for enter new quantity, means how much quantity you have. Like for example, I have now dosa quantity like 40, so I will type, let's say I have now I have 56. Okay, so enter. Okay, so it is saying that quantity updated. Okay, now let's one more time see view product. I type to enter. See here, earlier the dosa quantity was 50. I will show you here. I think 59. Oh, okay, it's 40. Earlier it was 40. Now I have I have updated it to 56. So here you can see the dosa tawa quantity is 56. So it is now updated. Okay. Now go for the next option, like 4. Number 4, delete product. We can go for fourth option, delete product. It is asking for enter product ID to delete. So let's say I will type the P102. For example, I want to delete this electric kettle option, electric kettle, from my inventory. So I type P102 product ID, enter. It is saying that product deleted. Okay, so now we can again type here 2 and see that actually it is deleted or not. So yes, now you can see here we have P101, P103, P104 and P105. Means P102 is deleted, which is electric kettle. Okay, so now we go for record sale option. So here you can see this record sale option. I type 5 and enter. It is asking for enter product ID. So for let's say I type P105. P105. Okay, so it is of mixer grinder. So it is asking for enter to quantity sold, means how much quantity we have sold. For example, I have mixer grinder 50. Let's say I sold 6 mixer grinder. So I will enter here 6, means 6 I have sold. Okay, now it is saying sale recorded. See, now we can again see here that actually in my inventory earlier there is a 50 mixer grinder, 6 have sold, means it will now have to show 44. So let's see number 2. Okay, so now it is okay. So yes, here we can see that mixer grinder quantity is updated to 44, right? Like before it have 50, now 6 has been sold, so now 44 are present in our inventory. Okay, now what is this low stock alert? Here sixth option, low stock alert, means it is asking to enter a quantity which if our inventories any product go to this low quantity, then it will show us low stock alert. For example, I type 6, enter. It is asking for a enter threshold. Here you can see enter threshold means if my product quantity go near to it or below it, then it is show us the this low stock alert. For example, I type a threshold as for now I type threshold as 50, for example. Okay, enter. Okay, so it is now showing like low stock product, like pressure cooker have quantity 48, mixer grinder is 44, because other than that all have more than 50. I have type enter threshold. In the enter threshold option I type 50. So this pressure cooker and mixer grinder are less than 50, so it is showing low stock product. Okay, now go for total inventory value, option number 7. Number 7, enter. So see, here it is showing all the total inventory value. It is something around 3,31,694, means it is showing what I will show you. Like for example, I have pressure cooker 48, its price is 2500. Now same pan 50, price is 699. So this all quantity multiply by their prices, so it is showing all the inventory value which I have. Now the eighth option is exit. So I will type 8, and yes, it is showing exiting system, and I have exit the system. Okay, so now I will show you my code basic overview of that. Like let's kill this terminal. Okay, so I will show you the brief about the code. Like for example, what are the functions are working in this. Like I have already import the JSON and OS. File name is given inventory JSON. Like for example, first is load data. It load the data, means it read the JSON file. For example, everything we have updated or done, it is already updated in this file. Like here see pressure cooker 48, pan and dosa tawa, mixer grinder, it is already updated here. So this load data, this function read JSON file and see what is updated. Now the save data option, like here we can see the save data function. So this save the update, all the updates we save, it will, this function will work to save the data. Now this is add product. Like as name suggests, it is using for to add product which we are typing, which we are doing by typing one and then all. Okay, so similarly this is all the things. Like it also have one more thing, add product, like check duplicate ID. For example, if I have already P101 as a product ID, if I go to add again P101, then it will show the duplicate. Okay, so it is also added here, so that everything would be clear. Now view product, as it suggest, as the name suggests, it display the inventory. Okay, then we have the update quantity function. So update quantity function, it modifies stocks. Like you have see, we have updated the quantity of, I think like mixer grinder or something we have updated. So this update quantity function work there. This delete product is used to delete the product which we have already shown. Now the record cell, it is used to record cell. Like for example, we have done with, I think with the mixer grinder or something, like we have sell the 6 and now 44 are available. So this function work here. All the function uses for loop, if else function. Okay, now the low stock alert, as name suggests, we also have seen the we have entered the threshold. Like it is also showing here in this line, like threshold int input enter threshold. So here enter threshold, we have entered the threshold as 50, and below 50 everything is listed as a low stock. Okay, now we have to see for total inventory value. Like we have done, okay, so here it is. So total inventory value is which is the addition of all the quantities multiplied by their respective prices. It shows the complete value of the products which are in our inventory. Okay, so this is the main function. It is using while loop and working using if else function. So yes, that's it.